What's up, everybody? On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into Italian espresso culture. And to help us, joining us today, Chef Viola Buitoni, which serves as an Italian expert to the San Francisco Italian Consulate and the Italian Cultural Institute, and knighted by the President of the Italian Republic, exporting authentic Italian food and food culture to the United States. Thank you, Viola, for welcoming us into your beautiful home and kitchen here. Could you indulge us on Italian espresso culture and what you're baking today?
Yes, always. I can always indulge anyone on Italian food culture.
Oh, yeah.
What are we going to be making? Nothing special, meaning this is not a recipe I'm presenting to you. What I am presenting you is a disambiguation of the nomenclature of espresso in the Italian culture.
So you're going to give us a good, strong, solid foundation
Yes.
of what Italian espresso is supposed to be,
Yes.
correct?
This is a regular, that's a caffè, or an espresso. That's a caffè lungo, just slightly longer. We let the stream of coffee run a little longer off the spout. Here we have an allungato, which means I have a regular coffee that's lengthened with some really hot water, boiling hot. And then the last phase is Americano, which means just a regular coffee lengthened with water all the way up in a cappuccino-sized cup. Now, let's say that now I wanted to stain this coffee, right? Why would you want to stain it? Stain it's got a bad connotation. Stain in Italian, the word for staining in Italian is macchiare. What you stain it with is milk, of course. So you can stain with either cold milk or hot milk. So you would say macchiato freddo or macchiato caldo. Macchiato freddo means cold stain. Macchiato caldo means hot stain. This is the macchiato, which is a regular coffee with just a stain of foam milk. So here we have a doppio, which is your double shot, so 2 shots of espresso. And this is the macchiatone, which is the big macchiato, which has a little bit more hot milk with a stain of foam on top. As you can see, the macchiatone is about twice as much as the macchiato, and it's made in a big cup, but it's about half as much as a cappuccino, which also would be making this size cup.
This series was made in partnership with Mr.Espresso, a family-owned and ran roastery in my hometown, Oakland. Naturally, their customers and small businesses they serve reflect the diverse faces of the SF Bay Area, and these episodes are an homage to them, our community.
Thank you, Luigi.
Mr.Espresso in
Actually,
Oakland.
we should say grazie, Carlo,
Got it. Ready?
because that's where it started.
Got it. Ready?
Grazie, Carlo.
Grazie, Carlo. That was a horrible Italian accent.
Oh, that was great. That was great. That was great.